A salt is a compound that is formed when the hydrogen atom in an acid is replaced by a metal. So, how can we prepare insoluble salts? We can start by dissolving soluble salts in water and mixing together using a stirring rod in a beaker. Then we can filter to remove the precipitate from the mixture and then wash the filtrate with water to remove any traces, and then we can leave it in an oven to dry. So, preparing soluble salts. We can start by using a pipette to measure the alkali into a conical flask and add a few drops of indicator. Then we will add acid into the burette and note the starting volume. Now we will add the acid very slowly right over here from the burette into the conical flask until the indicator changes to appropriate color, the color we want. So note and record the final volume of acid in burette and calculate the volume of acid added. Now add the same volume of acid into the same volume of alkali without any indicator. Now we will heat it to evaporate, leaving a saturated solution. So we will leave the solution to crystallize, decant excess solution, and allow crystals to form.